Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install dual messenger in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to advanced features. From here scroll down a bit, then just tap on dual messenger option and that's it. From here you can install second copy of Facebook, WhatsApp and Messenger. Also Instagram and Telegram. So if you want to install dual messenger, just enable this option from here and then tap on install and it's done. Now if I go to app screen and here it is. You can see in my phone dual messenger has been installed successfully. So just open it and here it is. Now from here you can log in or sign up your messenger account. You can also use a separate contact list for second copy of messenger. And that is how you can install dual messenger in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.